Very good morning, all the students of 6th standard, and we are learning the last lesson of our 6th standard, that is civil services or district administrations. Fifth one lesson is there. This lesson we are learning. Page number 79 is going on. District administrations. In our country, many states are there. States are divided into the smaller part, that is district. District division is there into the taluka, and taluka division is there into the gram panchayat, the village. So district administration is there. In that, next one point is the disaster management is also one point. Disaster management, when the situation is a little bit out of control, or some epidemic, or any sudden causes or the sudden incident happen, at that time disaster management look after. For example, outburst of heavy rainfall, flood, suddenly it is there. Earthquake, it is sudden. Drought is also sudden there. So disaster management is there to look after all these things there. Disaster management they look after. So disaster management, this one point was saying, sometimes we may have to face a calamity. Sometimes we have to face the calamities there. Natural calamities or the man-made calamities also there. For example, bombing there, bomb blast is there. It is also one type of calamity. Earthquake is there. It is also one type of calamity there. Flood, heavy rainfall. It is also one type of calamity there. So sometime we may have to face the calamity. It could be a natural disasters like a flood there. So what kind of calamities we have to face? Calamity means what kind of problems are there? Serious. So we have to face the calamities, natural disasters like a flood is there, natural disaster is there, which is caused by nature. So that we can call as a natural. Man-made because of the reason of caused by or made by human beings, that is man-made, or which is made by the nature, that is natural we can say. So flood is there, fire, suddenly outburst of the fire into the forest regions, cloud burst, heavy rainfall, that we can call as a cloud burst there. If too much heavy rainfall, then it is cloud burst. Cyclones mostly in summer regions. In a summer season, there we can face the situations, or we can see cyclones in a number of times. Sometimes cyclones occur into the rainy seasons also there, and if the cyclones are too much powerful, then it's affect to the seashore areas also there. The people, those who are living near the seashore area, their existence, their life is also in danger situation. So cloudburst is there, cyclone is there, earthquake is there, landslide is also there. Earthquake, eruptions happen during the time of earthquake there, or what the houses are there, land is, it start to shake, it start to move there. Big constructed sites are there, houses are there, they fall, they collapse there, and possibility to death human beings or the animals. It is a serious. Earthquake is also there. This problem is serious there. Many people they died into the incident, in earthquake incidents also there. Landslide, if you are living near the mountain region areas there, there's also because of the heavy rainfall, sometimes the landsliding is there. So what if the mountains are the soil is there, stones are, they say move from their place and they will come toward the downward, toward the sloping areas there, and people those who are living in that region or the areas or their houses, they will be under that landslide. Sometimes it's come on the road also, accident occur there. So it is also calamity there, landslide, or the problem like riots, bomb blasting is there, breaking of the dam, or epidemic. Sometimes the dam break that, it is because of the storage capacity is less, and weakness of the dams, otherwise more force power is up there into the water at that time. Sometimes dam also they break there, or epidemic also spread. Sometimes the epidemic in ancient time there were the plague, cholera, such type of epidemics were there. In present time also we can say it is COVID-19, the coronavirus. It is also one type of epidemic. Is also we can say that virus is there. Bird flu we have seen, chikungunya, chicken pox also we can call that. So these are epidemics were there, etc. These are the department means these are the problems are there, or the sudden calamities were there. To look after, to control these situations, disaster management is there. These disasters lead to the loss of human lives and displacement of the people, beside tremendous financial loss. And when such type of disasters lead there, such type of disasters cause there at that time, it leads toward the tremendous loss of human beings, tremendous loss of human life there. And along with the loss of the human life there is displacement of the people. They have to leave their places, they have to leave their houses, and they have to settle into the other places of the region or the area, safest places region or the area. So displacement of the houses, tremendous loss of the people's their lives, displacements of the houses there. And therefore the issue of rehabilitations become important. Rehabilitation center means to re-establishment of the people's life there. So it's become important, rehabilitation center there. So government has to be provide them facilities. They have to rent the temporary houses. They have to set up for the people, those who are affected, and the government has to provide all the facility to them. So it is not possible, means it is not that much easy to provide all the facility in the places or the region or the areas where the people they are settled down there, to provide housing facility there, to rent the temporary tents or give all the facility there. Difficult situation is there. Rehabilitation centers, it is too much difficult, or the difficult work for the government, but it becomes important for the governments to set up this. And disaster management is a process which enables one of to face disasters in a scientific and organized manner. So disaster management, this department, it look after these situations. They are specially trained for such situations there, and they look after the situations in a proper way, and they face into the scientific and they are in organized manner. They face this problem. The entire machinery of a district is involved in this process. Entire machinery there, government, all the administrative departments there, disaster management department, they involve in these situations there, to be handled, to overcome from this situation. They are special trained for such type of situations there, or the problem there. They involve in this process. Advance in the technology make it possible for us to get a prior information about several kind of disasters. Advanced situation is there, advanced type of technology is there, scientific technology we are using. So because of such type of advanced technology, we get information about such type of disasters before to erupt, or before to face, or before to start such type of disasters there, before to come such situations or the calamities. We get informations about them in a little bit in advance. We get them. So in advance we get these informations with the help of the scientific technology and advanced technology. We get about the information about the disasters there. For example, system which can be predict and warn us of the flood or storm has been developed there. If there is a possibility of the storm or the possibility of the flood, then system is there, advanced scientific technology is there. With the help of such a type of advanced technology, we get the information about flood, or we get the information about the storm in advance only we get. So government or the disaster management, they address to the peoples, they call to the peoples, they suggest to peoples not to go in such regions or the areas which are highly affected or the possibility to affect. So they use this technology and they execute their planning there. These help us to be better prepared to face the disasters. So such a plannings, they help us to be execute or to be prepare the better planning or to face these situations there. What are the situations are the disaster management problems are there? We can face them in a proper way. If we know before this incident happen, then we will be ready, we will be execute our planning there. And if sudden causes happen, if suddenly it happen, then at that time we are not ready, and we need some time to be prepare ourselves. So if we get the time, then we can make a proper planning or the preparation there. So it is important to get information. So advanced technology they are using, and disaster management they are looking after to implement their planning, they implement with their schemes in a proper way we are preparing the planning there. So today we'll stop here. When we'll come in the next video, that time we'll see the last point of this lesson there. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.